Hi everybody, I'm Mark Jacobson with an MGM Minute for the week of November 4th, 2024, overlooking Park MGM, New York, and MGM Grand right in the Las Vegas Strip. Here's what's happening across MGM Resorts International. Anticipation continues to build for the Formula One Heineken Silver Las Vegas Grand Prix 2024, taking place November 21st through the 23rd on the Las Vegas Strip. MGM Resorts is a founding partner of the event. Just announced, Ferrari driver Carlos Sainz will host his Smooth Operator Dance Lounge at Aria Resort and Casino. The Dance Lounge will be located inside the Alibi Ultra Lounge and will be open to the public throughout race weekend. A full list of Grand Prix events and activations can be found at mgmresorts.com. In other news, the Las Vegas Urban Chamber of Commerce has named MGM Resorts Corporation of the Year. The announcement was made this past week during the Chamber's annual Green Tie Awards luncheon. MGM Resorts was recognized for its support of local diverse-owned businesses while providing opportunities for collaboration and growth. MGM Resorts has a long-standing commitment to global business diversity and engages local businesses through its supplier mentorship program. On another note, MGM Resorts and BetMGM's responsible gaming leads served as presenters at the New Horizons and Responsible Gaming Conference this past week in Vancouver. The event brought together gaming operators, researchers, and treatment professionals, all in an effort to generate education and best practices. The annual conference is organized by the British Columbia Lottery Corporation, the creator of the responsible gaming program GameSense. GameSense was first licensed to MGM Resorts by the BCLC in 2017. The program enhances MGM Resorts and BetMGM's guest and customer service models by focusing on positive, transparent, and supportive conversations with players about how to gamble responsibly.
It's great being up in Vancouver, visiting our friends at BCLC and to be able to talk about our utilization of the GameSense program, both at BetMGM and at MGM Resorts. We're looking forward to continued collaboration with BCLC. It's been 7 years, and we're very proud of the impact that it's had on both our guests, our customers, and our employees.
On top of that, MGM Resorts recently hosted a job shadowing day in Las Vegas for UNLV students interested in exploring future career pathways with the company. The first ever MGM and UNLV Shadow Day matched up students with current MGM Resorts leaders, providing behind-the-scenes access to various departments within the company. Students explored entry-level opportunities with hotel operations, food and beverage, casino marketing, internal audit, finance, special events, sports partnerships, and human resources.
It was amazing. You know, we have over 1,600 employees here at MGM who are also UNLV alumni. UNLV is right in our backyard, so it makes natural sense for us to have this robust connection with the students. We're hoping to expand the students' perception, really break them out of the norm of just thinking of MGM as the green building on the corner or just opportunities in hotel and casino. We want to make sure that they know that any degree program that they are pursuing at UNLV correlates to employment opportunities with MGM.
Also, a reminder that MGM Resorts will kick off the 14th annual Salute to the Troops celebration on Friday, November 8th at the Mandalay Bay Convention Center in Las Vegas. The event welcomes wounded in action servicemen and women, along with their families and caretakers, to Las Vegas for 4 days of activities and relaxation. Festivities begin with the Wall of Gratitude at 2:30 p.m., where MGM Resorts employees welcome and thank those attending for their years of service. Salute to the Troops is a partnership between MGM Resorts, the USO, and American Airlines.
I can't wait. You know, as a reservist and as an MGM Resorts employee, there's nothing better than watching these servicemen and women get off the bus and then the expressions on their faces as they walk through our Wall of Gratitude at Mandalay Bay. Because I always love how our team members from different properties, different parts of our business and communities are there to show their support. It's just a great way to kick off Veterans Day weekend and to let everyone know how much our company cares about the military community.
Shifting gears now, this past week marked the grand opening of the Healing Center at St. Jude's Ranch for Children in Boulder City, Nevada. The ranch is a residential campus that provides support to child victims of human trafficking, helping them make the transition from survivors to thriving members of the community. MGM Resorts contributed $200,000 toward a capital campaign to help build the Healing Center. The company has a long-standing commitment to combating human trafficking and has a task force to monitor and provide guidance for policies and initiatives. On top of that, the MGM Resorts sales team presented an additional $20,000 to St. Jude's on behalf of its meetings and conventions clients. This was in connection with the Mindful Matters series, a collection of wellness activities offered to clients that support their well-being while also benefiting the community. And finally, heading out to Biloxi, Mississippi now. Employee volunteers from MGM Resorts, Beau Rivage Resort and Casino, and the Nature Conservancy recently transferred over 44,000 pounds of oyster shells to the Tony Trapani Oyster Reef in Bay St. Louis. The reef is designed to replenish the Gulf Coast oyster habitat while increasing local biodiversity and recreational fishing opportunities. These shells were donations from 13 of MGM Resorts Las Vegas restaurants. This initiative was part of Save Our Shells, coastal Mississippi's new oyster shell recycling program. Since oyster recycling began at Beau Rivage in September of 2024, the resort has contributed an average of 1,000 pounds of oyster shells each week to this program.
We're taking the shell material that was generously given to us from MGM and Beau Rivage, and we're putting it back on a Tony Trapani reef. And we're starting to build that reef back up, which is going to improve the water quality in the bay. It's going to improve recreational fishing. And it's just a great environmental success story, and hopefully the beginning of a long-term project to get the shells that are being eaten in the restaurants back into the onto the reefs to promote and build additional oyster habitat.
And for more information on any of these events or happenings, feel free to contact us at media@mgmresorts.com. Have a great week.